Hello P4, welcome to our home learning today. And finally, we are now in our last unit for our Science P4 People's Book, the Unit 24. The title is The Solar System. So, to start with, let's learn the learning objectives for this unit. Are you ready? Let's find out what is the solar system and what is it made of. How are the sun and the planets arranged in the solar system? How do the planets move around the sun? For our science glossary, we have the following words. First, we have the asteroids. They are irregular shaped pieces of rock and metal in space that are smaller than a planet. Comets are bodies of ice, gas, dust, and small rocky particles that are found at the edge of the solar system. Elliptical means egg-shaped or oval-shaped. Main asteroid belt is a group of asteroids that lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Meteor shower is an event in which a number of meteors can be seen falling from a single point in the sky. Meteorites are meteors that do not burn up in the Earth's atmosphere and reach the surface of the Earth. Meteoroids are small pieces of rock in space that have broken off from a planet or an asteroid. Meteors are meteoroids falling through the Earth's atmosphere. Moons are any natural bodies revolving around a planet, while a planet is one of the 8 large bodies orbiting the sun that do not give out light of their own but reflect light from the sun. Trail is a track left by something that has passed by, while astronomical unit is the distance of the Earth from the sun. Dwarf planet is an object in space that orbits the sun and has enough mass to form a sphere but has other objects in its orbit, while galaxy is a cluster of stars in space. Fireball is an extremely bright and colorful streak in the sky caused by a small burning rock in the Earth's atmosphere, while near-Earth asteroid is a rock in space pulled into an orbit near the Earth by the gravitational pull of nearby planets. To start, let's have 24.1, what makes up the solar system. The solar system is a system in space that consists of the sun, 8 planets and their moons, and other objects like comets, asteroids, and meteoroids. Flashback. From the past unit, we had learned that the Earth takes 1 year to travel once around the sun. The Earth moves or orbits around the sun. It takes 365 and 1/4 days to be exact to make one complete revolution around the sun. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. The sun gives out its own light. Different parts of the Earth receive heat and light from the sun as the Earth rotates about its axis. In Explore page 153, a solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes in between the sun and the Earth while it is orbiting the Earth. During the eclipse, the shadow of the moon cast by the sun falls on the Earth, causing total or partial darkness on the Earth. In that school, page 154, the comet Hale-Bopp was much larger than most comets. Its diameter was about 30 to 40 kilometers. The average comet is only a few kilometers across. As its peak, the tail of the comet Hale-Bopp would stretch over 100 million kilometers in length. When a comet passes close enough to the sun, the heat of the sun causes the ice in the comet to melt to form a gas. The gas combines with dust particles in the comet to form its tail. The tail of the comet is visible as it reflects light from the sun. In Explore page 155, some scientists say that 65 million years ago, the dinosaurs on the Earth were killed when an asteroid more than 10 kilometers wide crashed into the Earth. When the asteroid hit the Earth, it caused a large amount of dust to enter the Earth's atmosphere, blocking the sunlight and causing a huge drop in the temperature in the Earth. Heat from the crash also caused wildfires. Dinosaurs that survived the crash either suffocated from the dust in the air, died from the wildfires, or froze to death when the temperatures on the Earth dropped. In Quick Check page 155, most asteroids are found in the asteroid belt between the planets Mars and Jupiter. And that's cool, page 155. It says there are over 445,000 known asteroids. However, there are many more asteroids in the asteroid belt, many of which are too small to be observed. The smallest asteroids can be as small as pebbles. Most asteroids are the size of pebbles or peas. On normal nights, we can usually see a few isolated meteors per hour. Meteors burn in the Earth's mesosphere. They become visible at the height of 50 kilometers to 100 kilometers above the Earth's surface. In 24.2, arrangement and movement of planets in the solar system. In order of the distance from the Sun, the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They move around the Sun in specific elliptical paths called orbits. In Explore page 157, there is a question: how long do other planets take to revolve around the Sun? For Mercury, it will take 89 days. For Venus, 225 days. For Mars, 687 days. For Jupiter, 4,333 days. For Saturn, 10,760 days. For Uranus, 30,685 days. And for Neptune, it will take 60,190 days. In Quick Check page 157, the planets move around the Sun in specific elliptical path called orbits. So, we have the following planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune in their proper order. The Sun has a diameter of 1,390,000 kilometers. It is the largest object in the solar system. The planets, comets, asteroids, and meteoroids make up only 0.2% of the mass of the solar system. And that ends our lesson for today. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and safe at home at all times. And don't forget to check in your Google Classroom for more supplementary videos. Bye-bye!